Hello, this is Alexander Cross, attorney, criminal defense with the law offices of Cross and Associates. If you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. Now, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with the suspension of a DUI test. Let's see. Can a DUI test be suspended if I was arrested for driving under the influence of prescription medicine that I'm taking? Well, generally speaking, yeah, you could delay doing the test. Remember, and I've said this before on a few occasions, as long as you're not on probation for any previous DUI offenses, you don't have to submit to any field sobriety tests until after your arrests. After your arrest, the police have to read you a Trumpetta advisement letting you know that you do not have the right to refuse, and a refusal will result in a 1-year license suspension without a restricted license. So in that situation, yeah, you could. Now remember, DUI just means driving under influence. It doesn't necessarily mean alcohol. It could be drugs, marijuana, it could be prescription medication, it could be over-the-counter medication, medicine. It doesn't really matter. It's anything that could impede your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle is a basis for a potential DUI. So when the police have you detained, not yet arrested, detained, and they're asking you a bunch of questions, when they ask you to submit to a field sobriety test, you have the right to say, no, I don't want to do that. Now, of course, they'll arrest you regardless. Regardless, they'll still arrest you, and they'll take you down to the station, or they could take you to different places. They could take you to the local jail. But once you're there, then you no longer have the right to refuse. So the quick answer to this is, yeah, you can suspend, you can delay the test, whether or not it's alcohol or drugs or prescription medication. But once you get arrested and they take you down, you have to submit to it. Just remember that. You don't want to not submit to it, because then at that point, you're going to end up with a further license suspension and no restricted license. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who's looking to do a record expungement. See you on our next video.